What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, heading on over to one of the homies' night meets. Homie Angelo and all of his squad over there at Street Elegance. Just gonna go hang out. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna record. I might do a bunch of like the mini or the shorts. I might get a bunch of those. Usually, I can't get a crazy amount due to music, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on over there. Oh, also, I don't have my merch on. I have Division 7 on. So make sure you follow the homies at Division 7. Link will be in the description below. Alright. Look kind of blue on camera, but it is white. Yeah, X looks really blue on camera. Alright. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. It might look different once it's edited and everything, but we'll see. And better look at, well, not really better, but here's a look at the low profile visors. They're not over here anymore, they're tucked in. So let me know what you guys think about those. Alright, so we don't have the other meet going on the same time this time, so we ain't got a lot of crazy music. I know a couple people might have something on here and there, but as of right now, we're good. But a couple of the homies on the way too. Look at that. Can't go wrong with that color. Look at this. Custom wrap itself. Owner, one of the owners for Division 7, the shirt I'm wearing. Link will be in the description below. Oof, looks so good. That McDonald's smelling good.
I just switched back to Android.
These wheels look good. Rotiform.